Activists are here today protesting the killing of stray dogs in Tunisia in front of the Tunisian consulate here. If you want to just go up there and show where we are at the entrance to the Tunisian consulate. And these activists are decrying the horrible practice of hiring hunters and the police to go and shoot stray dogs throughout the country in Tunisia. They're trying to put pressure on the Tunisian government to stop this practice. And they're all here, if you'll just follow me, they're all here in front of the consulate here, showing people who are coming in for visas and whatnot in France that they need to stop this practice in Tunisia of killing stray dogs. And if you look at the kind of signs that they have, which are in French and in Arabic, showing what's actually going on in the streets of Tunisia. And as you know, there are many, many Tunisian people living in France who are animal lovers, like the ones who came out here today. The event, Camara, why are you here? What are they doing?
I'm here because in Tunisia they hired police and hunters to shoot stray dogs with the barbaric manners, so it's horrific.
It's very bad. I am very sad. Stop killing dogs in Tunisia.
We must stop killing dogs in Tunisia. It's just horrible what they do. It's just a shame, and we need to respect them. We need to protect them like every life on Earth.
They hope that they won't have to come back. They hope that their message is clear.